Joining BTech after spending lakhs of rupees, most graduates end up in a low-paying job. But on the other hand, with an investment of just a few thousand rupees, a Pani Puri wala often earns more than many engineering graduates. But wait, we are not here to tell you to start a Pani Puri stall. It is about something that can make you a better software engineer. These are things that you will not find in your BTech textbooks or your classrooms, but you can learn from a Pani Puri wala. Now, if you feel hesitant to learn from a Pani Puri wala, it's time to break that mindset because these lessons could be the key to your dream job. At a Pani Puri stall, you have probably seen someone take a bite and say, "Bhaiya, thoda tikha kam karo." The vendor doesn't argue. He doesn't ignore them. With a quick nod, he adjusts the spice level in the next puri. That's called being customer focused, understanding what someone wants and fixing things instantly. So, if you are planning to join BTech CSE in 2025, start doing these things from your first year itself. Don't just build projects because you think they are good enough or good enough to just get graded. Ask your friends, seniors or professors, did they find it useful? What could be better? Listen to their feedback and improve your work. And remember, companies pay a lot to engineers who know how to keep users happy. Companies like Meta, Apple, Amazon and Google etc. pay a huge premium to engineering leads who don't just meet but exceed customer expectations with their products. So, start now. Ask, listen, improve. Just like the Pani Puri wala does with each and every single puri he serves. Have you ever noticed how a Pani Puri wala manages a long line of customers during peak hours? One hand serves the puris, the other pours the pani, and at the same time he's making eye contact with the next person in the line. When one customer asks for extra tikha and another one for less khatta, he remembers it all and delivers it without a single mistake. He's not just serving food, he's managing a system, one that scales well and does not break down during rush hours. Now, think about working at a tech company. Take your dream company for instance. Imagine you are managing a website during a big billion sale. Thousands of users flood the system all at once. If your system crashes or slows down, millions are lost in seconds. So to prevent such a loss, companies look for skilled software engineers who can stay stable under pressure even when things get chaotic. But scalability isn't about just writing better code. It's all about how you handle pressure, how you prioritize tasks, how you keep things moving smoothly when everyone else is panicking. Start now. Learn to prioritize your tasks, handle multiple projects at the same time, manage your workload, all this without dropping the ball. Because when you master scalability, you are not just another engineer. You become the kind of engineer tech companies fight to hire and pay handsomely for. These two skills every Pani Puri wala has. The next two that I'm going to describe is unique to a special Pani Puri wala.
फर्स्ट टाइम मेरे पास काफ़ी सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स थे. मैंने मार्केट रिसर्च की. मैंने पहले इंग्रेडिएंट्स पे रिसर्च करी कि क्या क्या पानी पूरी में डाल सकते हैं. नॉट ओनली पानी पूरी में डाल सकते हैं. मेरा एक माइंड सेट था, बैक ऑफ माइंड में एक चीज़ थी कि इसको हेल्दी कैसे बनाऊं, कि लोगों की हेल्थ इससे इम्प्रोवाइज कैसे हो जाए. तो जो पानी हम बेसिकली अब बना रहे हैं वो पानी आपके डाइजेशन को इम्प्रूव करता है और इम्यूनिटी को भी बूस्ट करता है. तो मैंने कई तरह के हींग ला के ट्राई करके देखे. तो देखा हींग भी आपको जनरली जो मार्केट में मिलता है वो भी एडल्ट्रेशन उसमें होती है. तो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स इट्स नॉट दैट कि आपको हमेशा सब चीज़ प्योर फॉर्म में ही मिलेंगी. तो मैंने अपना पूरा ऐसा रखा, कोशिश की कि हर चीज़ को मैं इतनी रॉ फॉर्म में ला सकूँ कि उसमें एडल्ट्रेशन बिल्कुल भी ना हो. तो हर एक इंग्रेडिएंट्स को वैसे ट्राई किया, मल्टीपल ट्रायल्स किए और फिर ये फाइनली ये वाला ट्रायल मेरा सक्सेस हुआ और बन गई पानी.
With her innovation, she took the customer-centric approach to a completely new level. Similarly, in tech companies, innovation isn't always about building the next iPhone or launching a billion-dollar product. Most of the times, it's about a small, clever idea, a series of little innovations that make a big impact. Take this real example. Millions of users loved the Spotify app, but they struggled to find new music that matched their taste. Scrolling endlessly through playlists wasn't working, and many users felt overwhelmed. Spotify's engineers came up with a creative solution. They built an algorithm that analyzed listening habits and matched them with the user's preferences. Every Monday, users received a personalized playlist of 30 songs handpicked by data, not humans. This small, smart feature didn't just solve a problem, it became one of Spotify's most loved features worldwide. Tech companies really value these kind of improvements because small, clever innovations multiplied over millions of users create a big impact. Creativity begins with small actions like looking for a problem, asking why, and exploring a different approach. So, start developing projects, tackle challenges head on, and keep your curiosity alive. When you walk into an interview, don't just hand over your resume. Let your projects showcase your creativity.
और ये मेरे मुंह से निकलता था कि मुझे तो हिस्ट्री क्रिएट करनी है. मतलब इतिहास रचना है पापा, कुछ तो ऐसा बताओ जिससे इतिहास रचा जाए। तो एक कहते हैं कि अगर आप सोसाइटी की कोई भी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हैं तो वो अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ी बात होती है। तो सोसाइटी की ये प्रॉब्लम थी कि फूड जो है आपके पास हाइजीनिकली प्रिपेयर्ड और हेल्दी क्वालिटी फूड आपको अफोर्डेबल प्राइस में नहीं मिलता है। तो आई एम हियर टू क्रिएट दैट चेंज।
This is problem solving, and if you take engineering at its core, it is problem solving. Every line of code you write, every system you design, every bug you fix, it all comes down to solving problems, one step at a time. At tech companies, problem solving isn't just a skill, it is the foundation of engineering itself. Think about it. Why do engineers write code? To solve problems efficiently. Why do apps get updates? To fix issues and improve functionality. And why do tech companies value engineers? Because they can look at something broken, unclear, unfinished and figure out ways how to fix them. But here's the catch. Problem solving is not like writing an exam. It's not about having all the answers. It is about knowing how to find them. It is about staying calm under pressure. It's about breaking down big problems into smaller solvable pieces. It is about thinking critically instead of rushing for random fixes, and it is learning from every mistake. All these skills are essential to become a successful engineer and securing your dream job. But most BTech curriculum and textbooks don't teach them. But there are advanced BTech programs available today where students learn these skills hands-on by working on real-world software projects every single day. It's like working at a top tech company while still being at college. Students learn to understand customer needs, handle pressure effectively, think creatively, and innovate solutions to real-world problems. This advanced BTech program is now available across 17 top NAC A+ universities across India. To know more, watch this video.